All right, back from the flip side, we will require some data for the brain to analyze. So let's do a little Google search and search for such data. So let's try Ethereum price history in JSON format. And obviously, I've done my homework, right? So I'm just doing the root again, and Reddit had a good one. Someone left behind a link here that does the job here, right here. See, perfectly in the type of format that we're looking for here. So, uh, taking this on and bringing it inside our project here, uh, let's see where I'm going to take. There we go. I brought that inside my project, right? And as you can see how I just broke it down to show how this is the data, right? So if I was to uh, break it down again, you know, uh, this is how I would break it down, like such. You know, but I don't have to do that because I'm going to let the computer do that and do all that job. But for understanding what we're searching for, it's always good to visualize part of the data. And so here, and I'm going to keep that there, and this would be like menu start. So I'm going to stop there. And so what I'm going to fetch here is um, the date. Okay. One thing is good to know is what's up, what's down. Like, are we at the oldest uh, date of the history, or this is the new date, like the last hours or whatever? And to understand if these bars, these high-low, are what are they, like 1 minute? Are they 1 day, 4 hours, 3 hours? How would we understand uh, what they are? So basically, with this date number here, we can figure out. Uh, Here, I'm going to copy that and bring in um, the epoch converter, right? So control case and readable. Ooh, look at that, 6 years ago. So we got data up to 6 years ago. So let's, I've done it before, I've done my homework. But just to show everybody how to proceed is to know you take copy, show you guys control paste, quick. Okay, so that's 5 hours ago, right? So what would this one be? Right? Can we figure this one out? Not yet. So copy, paste. 9 hours. So five. So there's a difference of 4 hours between 5 and 9. So now the next one, I have to clean that up here. What did I do? I'll fix that. Let's do that again. Okay, here we go. So the next one, we got 4 hours. So we have the date. Let's get this right over here. Control copy. days, 13 hours ago. So between 9 plus 4 is 13. So we got 4 hour bars. All right. So I did this to extract, like, this is a lot of data to look with your own eyes. So I created this little file here where bring in that file. Okay. I create an array and I run through it. But when I run through it, I just go get the high, the low, open and close, and I parsed it in a way where I'm going to be preparing it for the brain. So I already sort of separated the brain, like input and the output. So as you can see, I'll be training the bot on the high, the low, the open and the close. And I'll be training him. I'll be telling him all these data here. Every time we see these data, there's going to be a weight average, and and he will have the weight average. I give him a weight average. I don't deny him a weight average, right? I give it to him through a training. So when I come to parse, when I'm going to be training him, let's go see the old um, example here. How you see a similarity here, where I'm trying to get a quality. So I'm going to be training him on this result here. So what's left to do here in my other in this file is to actually bring in uh, my brain.js, require brain.js. So I got that to build and initialize the training. And what I'm going to do is for testing purposes, okay, as you can see, let's go to the end because the end is the beginning, right? This is like 5 hours ago, 9 hours ago, and the next one's 13 hours ago. What if I took maybe those last 3 bars, and just put them aside, and I treat them with all the rest, and then I ask them uh, what would be the 13-hour weight average? What would be the ninth hour average, and so on? Like, and I would have the data on the sideline with the exact amount, and I would like to see my bot come to this solution where it's digitally inclined to be 0.446185. How close can he get to that average? We got lots of data here, so I don't know. See you on the flip side. Let's build them.